wanna know more. Tell me about where you're from. Tell me about your mom and dad. What kind of dreams do you have? How your world turns round. Tell me what makes you laugh. Tell me what makes you sad. We can dig a little deeper right now, or we can slow this whole thing right down. Anything you want, it'll be alright. We can put our toes down in the river, let the moonlight paint us a picture of this soft September night. Summer's come and gone, the fall's coming on, warm nights are running low.